Afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Girls.
It's Sunday afternoon, a very quiet one for us.
Best in Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
The dogs are hot. They've just come out in air conditioned. Living is a nosy and they think they're going to get fed.
And they're out here.
So I'm going to make a Filipino street food called Kwek Kwek.
What's Kwek Kwek? Kwek Kwek, Kwek Kwek. Kwek! Come on, Kwek!
Now what it is boiled eggs in a batter and deep fried.
Yeah.
We've got our own little twist to it.
So, yeah, it depends on what you fancy to.
Yeah, you can put, they tell you to put food colour in to change the colour of the batter. So we're going to put paprika and chilli.
Yeah, because it's famous for being pinkish or orangey. Yeah.
Okay,
orange.
so Jen's going to video and I'm going to take you through the ingredients.
Okay. Here you go. Where's the chef?
So, we've got boiled eggs.
Yeah. Eggs right there.
1 cup of flour. All purpose. 1 cup of water. Some cornstarch. And we've got a teaspoon of, Jen's took my
What?
baking powder away.
Yeah, it's there on that yellow.
See?
I thought you finished.
No, see, leave the chef's materials alone. Okay? Or you'll get into trouble. You're lucky I'm not Gordon Ramsay, and you're lucky I'm not swearing and throwing you down to the ground and covering you.
Back to business.
So, half a teaspoon of baking powder and Spanish paprika and chili powder. Now while I go get the salt and pepper, have a look at Josie, who's scratching on the door to get in because she's too hot.
Well, Josie, what do you want to do? Want to get inside? Waiting. What are you looking for there, babe? Pepper? Have to get there. The big one. Yeah.
Okay, boss.
Because that one is empty, so you need a refill. The big one.
So, we should have cleared the table, but we didn't. So, flour. This is where you can tell I'm a good cook, but a bad chef. Because I would have had, and she's moved my teaspoon.
No, I didn't touch anything there.
Of course you did. So, half a teaspoon of baking powder into the flour. Salt.
Did you find it? What's that?
Oh, brown sugar, that's not good. Bear with me, guys, bear with me, I've got it. Should be on my spice rack, but for some reason it's in the tin cupboard. I'll discipline Jennifer later on. Prepared to be disciplined, Jennifer. Pepper to taste, salt to taste. Mix together. Anyone remember the Sesame Street with the chef?
Maybe the...
Now water, 1 cup. And mix together. Now the reason I'm making this is because I've had it a couple of times from the street guys when we were in our old house, and it was really good. Very simple, but very tasty. And then they stopped selling, they stopped making it. Probably because in the Philippines, if you start doing something and it looks like it's making you money, then everyone else does it and nobody makes money and everyone just loses cash. So what happened was, obviously, everyone started doing Kwek Kwek on the street and it became non-profitable. Instead of someone doing Kwek Kwek and someone doing the chicken's innards and stuff like that and chicken's feet and stuff, but no, they all do the same thing. So I think my batter is a bit too runny, so what I'm going to do, I'm following the recipe, but
You still have this book.
yeah, that's for dipping the eggs in, baby. Come on, hey, you just concentrate on your directing and cameraman and let the chef take care of the food, my dear. Again, Jennifer, you're lucky I'm not Gordon Ramsay.
Great.
This is more like it. This is a bit more like it, guys. So let's have a look at this.
Yeah.
Oh no, let's have a look. Not you, Jennifer, the camera. My God. So I'm saying let's have a look at this, expecting Jen to put the camera down, but no, she looks at it and keeps the camera at the table. Ay, camera woman. And they wonder why they don't get the same salary as men. So I think that's looking not too bad. Now this is my first time, guys. So it could actually be a disaster. But we shall see. Now, for the secret ingredients.
That will no longer be a secret.
No longer a secret, I'm letting everyone know. Spanish paprika. And just for a bit of kick, just for a bit of some chili flakes, some chili powder. And that will give it the colour. So let's have a look at this. It's got a nice, I'm colour blind, just looking at a nice pinky colour, babe, is it? Is it pinky colour or?
Orangey.
Orangey. Now the reason we're wearing bandanas is because we don't want hairs in our Kwek Kwek, and my hair's a mess. Jen said it's as slick as the ball potatoes. So what you do is 1 egg, you put it in the cornstarch, coat it, then you put it into the batter mix. And that tune is a tune off a YouTube video where I was showing you how to make these. So you cover the whole egg, okay? You then take the egg to the hot oil and put it in. So, and again, back to the cornstarch, Jennifer. Back into the batter mix. And you just repeat the process. You keep repeating the process. Cornstarch. Now you can do this in chicken eggs, you can do it with quail eggs, which is quite popular, I believe. Me, with my belly, who needs quail's eggs? You want proper eggs, big eggs. So that's 4 in. Give that a few minutes to... And whilst I'm waiting, I'll dip another one and leave it in the batter. Because I've got a small pot on. I've got the fan on at my feet full blast because I came out to peel the eggs and I was getting massacred by mosquitoes. So very soon we'll find out if it's been a success or a failure. And to be honest, they're looking quite good. To me, at the moment they're looking very good. To the pot, there you go. I'll just go and get some paper towel. Get a bit of the change here. What in here? What are you doing with my food, Mrs. Martin?
Okay, turn it over.
Okay, so let's have a look. And there we go. Are they okay for colour? They're crispy.
They're crispy, yeah.
Which is what you want.
Yeah, but I want mine more brown. The next batch.
You want some more brown. See how much of a totalitarian she is. Do you know what I mean? It's just, and I've got to practice that every day, guys. Yes, I know you feel sorry for me, but hey.
Concentrate, chef, on the cooking.
So Jen's going to come back and I'm going to show you again. And the cornstarch. Now in the UK, guys, you need to try this. In America, Australia, you need to try this. It's a bit of a Filipino take on the Scotch egg without the sausage meat, but seriously, it's absolutely delicious. And they serve it here with vinegar. Well, I think it's a vinegar. It tastes like vinegar.
It is vinegar.
It is vinegar. And you know, you Westerners, anything with vinegar has got to be good. So once I've got these last two in, actually there's 3, then I'll cut one open and you can see. I can get 2 in there. I'm making a bit of a mess, but my commie chef, who's on the camera at the moment, will clean up after me. Maybe watch what I'm doing, not this. I don't. Maybe I should tell her to do the opposite. If I tell her to do the opposite, she might.
It's being covered, babe.
What's being covered?
The camera's on there.
Yeah, but they want to see action, baby.
Yeah, that's
It's
what
an
I'm
action
saying.
movie.
This what?
A shoot 'em up movie. Don't make me go inside and get my shotgun, because you will regret it.
You don't have a shotgun.
I know, but hey, it sounded good. So don't make me go inside and get my shotgun, because there'll be trouble.
Well, there'll be trouble because there's no shotgun.
Okay, don't make me go inside and get my pea shooter. Don't
What's
say
that?
I've not got a pea shooter, because I've had it from you all these years, and I've been keeping it for a time that I need it. And this might just be the time. So we've got 5 in there now. So let's come over here, babe. And let's cut one open. So there you go. There you have it. Nice boiled egg on the inside. Nice and crispy on the outside. Delicious. Have a great Sunday. Turn around, babe. Turn the camera on. Have a great Sunday. Stay safe. Look after each other. And live your dreams. Okay?
Bye-bye. Take care.